Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to zoom out in Google Chrome browser on an Android device. The easiest way to do that is by using a pinch gesture. To do that, place both fingers on the screen like that and then move them closer to each other. But if you want to manually set a zoom level for your browser, you can either tap on the three-dot icon in the top right corner of the screen, select zoom, and manually select the zoom level for a website. You can also set up a default zoom level for websites by tapping the three-dot icon again, go into settings, scrolling all the way down, select accessibility, and then select the default zoom level for each website. And that's how you zoom out in Google Chrome browser on an Android device. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.